Good morning! So today we are going to...
Australia Zoo!
Yeah. It's a bit of a grey day today, but it's not too bad. It's two bus rides, and it should take us about 2 hours to get there.
There's no good way of getting there from these anywhere. And it should be a lot of money, so we are getting 1 hour public bus, and then switching to another hour public bus.
Yeah. But this is going to cost us, like, what was it? Like $12, something like that. Opposed to the shuttle, which was 169.
Yeah. And we need to go to Brisbane anyway.
Yeah, so we're going to Brisbane this afternoon. We were could do the zoo along the way, so we're going to do that. So yeah, this video will have a lot of animals in it. And you might even get me saying crikey with enthusiasm. I don't know yet. But yeah, come along and let's go to Australia Zoo. On the second bus.
Yeah, the bus. Now we've got an hour on this bus, but it goes straight to the zoo, so it's acceptable. So.
Yeah. So far, it's just got kids.
Yeah.
Made it to the zoo. Now just gotta try and get in. But the bus worked well. Hey.
Hi.
So we made it to the zoo. And now we're gonna go explore Australia Zoo. Daisy gets cranky. Like that, Lucy? They're so big. It looks fake. And there's two of them. There's a good few of them in there. This is already fun.
Well, they have lots of information as well about the research. The whole little crop school.
Yeah.
pretty sure that's just a teddy bear.
I don't like to choose favourites.
Yeah, it's the favorite.
Pretty good. They
No,
are very
they're
cute.
Cute. But it's so silly though.
Yeah. Now we're gonna go see if we can see a binturong.
So this is Alex with Cameron the croc, and that was a real croc. Show me the wombat. Show me wombat. I won't lie and say this is something I've been excited about. Most venomous snake in the world. Fierce snake. Give a taipan. Also gorgeous. Can you see it? How about now? Red-bellied black snake, right in the corner. One of the coolest lizards to me. The Gila monster. Look at him. Look how cool he is.
Guys, watch the glass, please.
Just calm down. Crazy color.
What if that's yeah, on the broad like here.
That's a beautiful strip right there. That's pretty cool. So it's a free bird area. Let's go have a look. Whoop. Closed? Closed. Birds. Some golden ibis. They're really pretty. Lots of birds in here. Lots of types of birds in here. Including some tiny cute ones.
I thought we were gonna struggle.
Okay, that. So, rules of ruse.
Go back to the other one.
Hello, mate. And some good food. Thought we'd add a new person to our vlogging channel.
So soft.
Yeah. Key music cool.
Absolutely, and look at Jericho. Well done, sweetie. Now, thanks to initiatives like Containers for Change, you can be sure that your empties these bins and multiple ones around the zoo is covered and
Fish. He's honing in. He's getting nice and grumpy. So now he's all keen. Good luck, mate. Oh, thanks, mate. Come on, Scrapper. Whoa, he's keen today. No, come on. There you go. Have it. Jump back in the water and splash around. He will come straight back onto my position. Now he's under, he can't see me. He can still feel where I am. He can feel me tapping, splashing, working beside me. A bit more up here. This isn't the trick we're about to teach him. He'll use this from the time he's a little hatchling crop, 15 centimetres long, weigh about 30 grams. And they hide in the reeds and hunt frogs, spiders and insects. There you go, just like that, nice work. Now for you guys.
Hey, so we went to go watch the Wild Warriors show, basically where the crocs do that, and it was really fun. It was really cool. Like,
They have some really cool birds as well.
yeah, they have like free-flying birds that swoop over you, and that was fun. Yeah, now we're just walking into the kind of roo and wallaby enclosure and just seeing what we can find, and then we'll head on to more. Finley's Island. Dabron tortoise. They're still really cool. Fun tree houses. Yeah. Cool. Giraffe. Zebra. Giraffe. Giraffe. Rhinos as well.
Đầu chỉ có quắt qua quắt lại đó thôi. Cái đó là mẹ đã nói
Trả
rồi.
lương cho nó nhiêu đó.
Mẹ đã nói rồi, quản lý là
Hey, probably backlit, but still. Yeah, we've pretty much seen everything now. So we're just gonna start heading towards the exit, and then we'll go from there.
Maybe see the animal hospital.
We also need to hit up the gift shop and see if we can get ourselves a magnet.
On the move.
feel a bit better. And there's also all that different equipment they use. How dark was that? Hey! So we just went to the little hospital bit that you can go to. Obviously a little koala with a little arm cast, which was adorable, and also got a glimpse of one that was about to get a little bit of work done. But yeah, we're gonna head back into the park, see if there's anything else we want to see before we get our bus. It's really good though. Really, really good. Baby with mama. So we made it because of the way that the train, the bus worked, and we only got charged $4 for the entire journey. So yeah, smashing. Now we're in Brisbane. We're going to find our place. Hey, so we're going to end this video here. It's been a good day. But we're just in a hostel now, which is alright. But yeah, we're going to do that because we've got a big day tomorrow and a few days after that. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time.